Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Rukshat Civil Engineering Courses. So now I am going to explain what is error due to use of wrong scale. Error due to use of wrong scale. Okay. So what is meant by wrong scale? If length of a line existing on a plan or a map is determined by means of measurement with a wrong scale, then the length obtained will be incorrect. How we can know whether it is a correct scale or wrong scale? Whenever we are measuring the length of a map or a plan, sometimes the wrong scale may be occurred. So we have to correct the scale. How the wrong scale is coming? If the length of line existing on a map or a plan, whenever we are measuring the length of a line or a length of a line on a map or a plan, then sometimes there will be some error due to wrong scale. So the correct scale can be found out by using some formulas. That is, for correct length, first we are finding the correct length formula. Next we are going to find correct area. Third is correct volume. Okay. So first of all, what is the formula for correct length? Whenever there is a wrong length, then the correct length can be found out by using the formula. RF means representative fraction of wrong scale divided by representative fraction of correct scale into measured length. Okay. Whenever the length we are getting a wrong length, then the length can be minimized by using the formula correct length equal to RF of wrong scale divided by RF of correct scale into measured length. Similarly, whenever we want to find out the correct area, whenever the area is wrong, the correct area can be found out by using representative fraction of wrong scale divided by representative fraction of correct scale whole square, because we are finding for area, whole square into measured area. This is the formula for correct area. Similarly, whenever there is a wrong in volume, the correct volume can be found out by using formula representative fraction of wrong scale divided by representative fraction of correct scale whole cube into measured volume. Okay, these are the formulas for finding the correct length, correct area and correct volume. So there is another important, it is known as Shrunk scale. What is meant by Shrunk scale? If a graphical scale is not drawn on the plan and the sheet on which the plan is drawn shrinks due to variations in atmospheric conditions, it becomes essential to find the Shrunk scale of the map. Means whenever we are drawing a scale, whenever we are drawing a graphical scale, whenever we are drawing a graphical scale on a plan, whenever we are drawing graphical scale on the plan, sometimes what happens, sometimes the sheet may get shrink, sometimes the sheet may get shrinks. Whenever the sheet gets shrinks, then the scale will get changed. That scale is known as a shrunk scale. Means whenever we are drawing some scale, whenever we are drawing some graphical scale on a plan or a map, sometimes the sheet gets shrinks due to some atmospheric conditions. So this shrink scale, it is known as a, whenever the sheet gets shrinks, it is known as a shrunk scale. So what is the formula for shrunk scale? Shrunk scale equals to shrinkage factor shrunk scale equal to shrinkage factor into original scale. Means what is the shrinkage factor? How much the sheet have gone shrinkage factor into original scale. By taking this formula we can find the shrunk scale. So once again explaining, in this video we are going to know what is error due to use of wrong scale. Whenever we are drawing some length of line on a map or a plan, then there will be some error due to using of some wrong scale, so that the scale can be corrected by using correct length formula, correct area and correct volume. So correct length equals to representative fraction of wrong scale by representative fraction of correct scale into measured length. Correct area equals to representative fraction of wrong scale by representative fraction of correct scale whole square into measured area, whereas correct volume equal to representative fraction of wrong scale by representative fraction of correct scale whole cube into measured volume. Next important is shrunk scale. What is shrunk scale? Whenever we are drawing some graphical scale on a plan or a map, sometimes the sheet may got shrink due to some atmospheric conditions. Whenever the sheet gets shrinks, we have to find out the what is the shrinkage value. For that we are using formula shrunk scale equal to shrinkage factor into original scale. Thank you.